Hi, I'm Jack, Reliability Manager at Great Mining Inc. It's my responsibility to ensure our maintenance technicians are using the right procedures to maintain all our high-tech equipment. After all, any unexpected vehicle breakdowns or fleet maintenance directly affects our production output, whether that's a wheel breaking off or worse. After analyzing many cases of unexpected downtime, we discovered the majority were caused by operating error during the scheduled maintenance work. From using the wrong torque targets and forgetting critical bolts, to loading spare parts in the wrong order and forgetting to apply Loctite. Our first action was to distribute instructions on paper, but keeping them updated with workshops around the continent, as well as the time taken to distribute, an action proved very challenging. What's more, SOP documents only offer one-way communication, so if the operator gets distracted and swaps two operations around, there's nothing stopping them. Efforts were made to automate the workflow and integrate with IoT devices, but after trial and error with pilot programs, we realized how lengthy the process would be to achieve. Custom development was also considered, but we couldn't match the process descriptions and the program implementation, since the process to figure out what does and doesn't work is extremely iterative. Internal development was likely to be long, expensive, and risky, something management understood. Then, one day, we were testing some smart tightening tools, and the distributor also provided a trial version of ProSuite software. After only a couple of questions about our operational details, he was able to set up almost every model in our fleet in just 2 hours. He demonstrated how to start the job, select the right model, serial number, and you're ready to go. At that moment, it hit us. This was what we had tried to develop. No matter the challenge, they were able to find the perfect solution, or let us choose from already implemented options. It was magic. When the job's finished, we receive a full report of the maintenance carried out, including pictures, so we can prove the maintenance was completed without question. What's more, all tightening targets are automatically selected and instantly applied to our smart tools. And the cherry on top? We can extend our standard setup with central programming and reporting, meaning we now have just one cloud server looking after all our maintenance shops across the continent. With the ProSuite dashboards and report server, I create my own custom reports to give me insight into our production and station performance. To learn more about ProSuite's process control and error proofing, simply contact their experts at prosuite.eu. Now that's a happy Jack.